Now, do you actually know which products in your inventory are silently draining your profits within your business? Now, most store owners focus on the best sellers, which makes total sense, but slow movers are actually what quietly kill the profits. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn that around and how to use slow movers as a strategic advantage. You're going to learn how to spot slow movers, analyze why they're not selling, and use ChatGPT to describe or decide whether to discount, bundle, or stop buying certain products altogether. So stick around to the end. I've got a free prompt for you that'll walk you through this entire process. Now, my name is Orson from Simple RFID, and we actually help retailers all around the world boost their inventory accuracy to 99%. And we do this just by solving the real problems that they are facing every single day. So that's where our information is coming from. And recently I was talking to a Shopify fashion brand that looked profitable on paper, but they were constantly low on cash. And when they dug into their inventory, over 40% of their budget was actually tied up in products that hadn't sold in like over 90 days. And they told and on that call, they were telling me, man, we were crushing it with our top sellers, but we didn't realize how much was sitting untouched just in the back. And that's when the light bulb went off for me, and I was able to share a subtle shift with them. And what I shared with them was, you don't need to build a strong business by just chasing the best sellers. You protect your profits by eliminating the slow stuff as well. Now, instead of focusing on what's moving quickly, look at what's not, because every unsold item is also cash, it's space, and it's energy being drained inside your business. So let me show you the steps we walked through to turn this problem into more of a profit. So step number one is identify the slow movers. Pull your last 90 days of sales data and highlight any item that hasn't sold or only moved once or twice. Now, step two is you're going to tag by category or season. Sometimes it's not the product, it's just the timing. So group by product type or season to find certain patterns. Now, step number three is to decide on a game plan. Ask the questions like, should I discount it? Should I bundle it? Should I use a gift with purchase? Or should I stop buying this product altogether? Now, step number four, use ChatGPT for recommendations. So drop in your sales history, like we talked about earlier, and your product types, and use our prompt to get suggested questions on what to keep, cut, or just move along. Now, when you clean up the bottom of your inventory, you make room for the top performers to grow even more than they already are. And after implementing this, the client that we referred to earlier freed up over 18,000 in inventory and reinvested it into their top 5 SKUs. And they went from guessing what to buy to making decisions with clarity, and they saw like a 27% increase in margins within 60 days. And the most importantly, they stopped feeling like inventory was just this black hole that they could never get rid of. Now, I know sorting through all of this data is most likely going to feel pretty overwhelming. And trust me, I get that, but you do not have to do it manually. Now, we created a simple ChatGPT prompt that takes your sales data, flags slow movers, and gives you a smart plan to actually go and about fixing it. So copy and paste, and that'll give you some clarity. Now, you'll find the prompt in the description below. So I hope that helps. Now, this one shift, again, has helped so many fashion retailers unlock hidden profit inside of their inventory that they had no idea existed. So again, grab the prompt below, try it out for yourself, or reach out to us at simplerfid.com if you want some help implementing the system, or you want someone to just do it all for you, because that's exactly what our solution does. So again, that's going to be it for me, guys, and thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to drop a thumbs up if you did like the video. And if for some reason it wasn't useful, or you're just like, this was stupid, then please, our only ask is just let us know in the comments as to why you felt that way. We want to improve, we want to get better, we want to give you information that's actually going to help and be useful for you and your business. So again, either way, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.